Welcome to iCart tutorial. In this video, I will take you through the checkout widget of iCart. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have installed iCart in your store. If you haven't, then just visit the app store shopify.com/iCart and you can add the app from here. Now coming back, let's explore the options one by one. The first option is widget heading, which is this one. And if you want to change this text, then you can use this field. Now if you want to show the widget title in the cart drawer, that is this one, then you can enable this checkbox. And using this field, you can change the text and customize using these options. Now these two color palettes would help you to change the heading background color and widget background color. Now if you want to show the terms and conditions in the checkbox, then you can enable this option. Now this option is checkbox is required for checkout, which means that if the customer would not tick this checkbox, then they can't continue to the checkout. Now here is the text that you can change, that is text of this one, and you can customize using these options. Now next option is terms and condition error message, which means that if customer will not click this terms and conditions, then message would arise, that is this one. Now next option is show continue shopping, that is this one. And if you want to change the button text, then you can use this field. Now these two color palettes would help you to change the button background color and button text color. Now this option will let you to change the position of the continue shopping button. Now here you can add the link to continue shopping button. Now next option is checkout button text, that is the text of this button. And if you want to change the button background color and text color, then you can use these two color palettes. Now next option is make checkout button sticky. You can select the position of the checkout button wherever you want in the cart drawer. Now if you want to add an order notes for your customers in the cart drawer, then you can enable this checkbox so that customers can add any notes they want on their order. Also you can change the order note title using this field. Now next option is image layout. You will get two options, square or circle. So now the next option is product upsell. If you want to show a product upsell with the checkout, then you can add the upsell from here. And here are the upsell types that you can offer. You can offer a checkbox upsell or you can show product upsell. Let's see one by one. Now here I have selected checkbox upsell, and here are the two types of products that you can offer, custom product or specific product. So I have selected the custom product, and here you can give the offer name, that is this one. And if you want to change this color, then you can use this color palette. And here you can add the offer price, and you can change the offer price color using this color palette, that is color of this price. And if you want to change the offer compare price, then you can use this field. And if you want to change the offer compare price color, then you can use this color palette. Now this option will allow you to change the offer icon, and you can change the offer icon color using this color palette. Now second option is specific product. Here I have already added a product, and if you want to change the title of this specific product, then you can use this field and customize using these options. Now next option is display comparative price. If you want to display the comparative price, then you can enable this checkbox, and these two color palettes would help you to change the comparative price color and selling color. Now if you want to offer a discount on this product, then you can enable this checkbox, and here are the discount types that you can offer as a discount. The first one is free shipping, and here you can change the discount name. Now second one is percentage. Here you can add the discount value that you want to offer for the specific product. Similarly, this option works as the same. Now third option is fixed amount. Here you can give a fixed amount discount on the specific product. So this is how the checkbox upsell looks. Now let's see the product upsell. So selecting this option, next option is to choose the products to display. Here you will get couple of options. The first one is Shopify recommendations. So Shopify recommendations uses AI, and it will automatically display products based on the customer's interest. And if you want to exclude some particular product from the product Shopify recommendations, then you can add the product tag in this field. Now second one is cheapest product in the cart. So it will sort out the cheapest products from the cart items and display as the product upsell for your customers. Now next is most expensive product in the cart. So it will display most expensive item from the cart items as the product upsell for your customers. Now next option is specific product. Here you can add the specific product that you want to show as the product upsell, and here is the condition that if this product is already there in the cart, then you can display selected product anyway. You can hide the featured product, or you can display an alternative product and you can add the product from this field. Now if you want to change the product title, that is this one, then you can change it from here. And if you want to change the product title text color, then you can go with this color palette. Now next option is show variant selection. If you want to show the variants, then you can enable the checkbox, and these three color palettes would help you to change the variant box background color, variant text color and variant border color. Now if you want to show the vendor's name, that is this one, then you can enable this checkbox and you can change the color of the vendor's name using this color palette. Now if you want to offer a discount with this specific product, then you can enable this checkbox, and here are the discount types that you can offer. The first one is free shipping, and here is the condition that only apply for item over, I have added $10, which means the amount of this item should be greater than $10 in order to get the free shipping. And here we can change the discount name. Now next option is percentage. Here you can give a discount value on the specific product, and similarly this option works as the same. Now next option is fixed amount per item added. So here I've added discount value of $10 and only apply for item over $10, which means that selecting this option, your customers will receive a $10 discount on every item added that is above $10 from this widget. Now next option is fixed amount. Here also I've added the same condition, discount value $10 and only apply for item over $10. So this option allows you to offer fixed of $10 discount upon adding every items that cost more than $10. So right now we will go with the free shipping, and here are the other options like prices to display, what price you want to display with your product. So I will go with the last option, store price and price including discount, and here you can change the compared to price color and selling color using these two color palettes. Now next option is button text, that is this one, and if you want to change this button background color and button text color, then you can use these two color palettes. Now if you want to display star reviews with your product upsell, then you can enable this checkbox. So we will save the changes and see the result in the front end. So we will add this product and see the result. So I'm gonna add this product and see. Right now I've got free shipping on this product. So this is how the checkout widget works. I hope this video was useful, and I invite you to check out the rest of our videos about other widgets of iCart. If you want further help, please feel free to contact us by clicking on this live chat button. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.